Oi, oi, Savaloi! What is going on? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Gaz. This is Cut Loose. This is our unit. These are our cars. And this is where we just hang out. Busy weekend. We had all the lads down, everyone popped down. Sun's out, cars are out, everyone's vibing, chilling, having some fun. To be fair, looking at my hair, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna get my hair cut. Josh, come on bro, let's get it done. Fades boy me would have hooked me up. I look about 10 years younger then, and we're good. But today, I have no idea what we're doing. Probably some stuff on the S15, because the Civic is complete. Let's do some work on the S15. I don't know what we're doing though. Oh, I need to fit these as well. Oh mate. Okay, well this escalated quickly. We've got some genuine. Oh, can you see it? Charge speed fenders. And they're for Jordan. Static on Instagram, something like that. But I'm gonna get them done as well. Woo, it's Monday, we've already got loads to do. Anyway, camera down. Let's get a trim. See you in a bit. I want to do a bit of an experiment. We have a dead battery. Dead. It was on Grant's Toyota Raw. I don't even know if it's Toyota, but it's called a Raw. Little hot point Dyson washing machine looking thing. Because the car's parked up for periods of time, I've always seen these little solar panel things that you plug onto your battery and it trickle charges them, apparently. But then I thought to myself, why would I risk my battery being killed when I can risk Grant's? Cheers, mate. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to check the voltage of that battery, see what it's at. Then I'm going to put that solar power charger thingy on it and then see if it charges. How about that? And if it's worth the money. So that goes in there. Nope. That goes in there. Nope. Two-handed job, boys. So let's try and wedge it in. It's at 12.53. Now listen, the sun's out. It's meant to rain at 12 o'clock. But we can try and get some charge out of it. So now I'm going to chuck this little beauty on, plug it in, put the leads out, put this in the sun. Hey. Put this there. Do your magic. 12.53. Just write it on the board. I can't find a pen. Anyway, 12.53. Let's see what it says later. And that's it. Yeah, it's gonna be. This is gonna be a really just weird experiment, but 25 quid. So let's have a look. I think it's time to put these into the EG. I can't sit still. You need to understand. If you're watching the videos thinking, Gaz, we were just waiting for you to have a haircut and you had it. What it is I just can't sit down. I just have to. Whoa, 900 mile. I don't know why. It's just the way I am. If you don't like it, so see a bit. DG. Oh, alright, mate. It's got a lovely stock interior. Don't get me wrong, it is lovely. But the stock seats are crap. Just don't hold you in at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 12mm extension, ratchet, rip them out, and put the Ek9 ones in. Yes, it's on Dc2 rails. So these are EG Dc2 seat rails. They don't fit the Ek. 3 bolts fit the Ek, but 1 doesn't. And safety first, we went all 4 bolts in. Yes, they are a bit worn, but who cares? Who cares? I don't. 12mm extension. You working? Oh, look where the sun's gone. Told you. let's get the other one. Put the front ones in finger tight. Slide it. Tilt. Woo. Hasn't that transformed the car? Now to do the same with a front 4-bolt TZ. And just to confirm, and I mean confirm as I've tested, DC2 and EG seat rails fit the same, but EK doesn't. Okay? Because I tried them in an EK and it didn't work. Oh, oh, are you ready? Look at that reflection. Hello. Ooh. Right, mate. Look at the red. That red on red. Oh, Jesus. So we got the two red Recaros. We got the Nardi. We got the Nardi. We got the Nardi. Come on, concentrate. Why not working? This thing here, look at this. Ooh. That's an interior. D16, you know. Nice little CUTLOOSE logo. Woo! Just a little cut outline. This car is tremendous. Got the Midnight Development exhaust, 2.5 inch. Ooh, sheesh. Looks like the sun is coming out. Where am I going to put these seats? Boy. Boy, boy. So we got some rarities now. Bit of charge speed. I'm just fiberglassing all the holes. Because there was too many. Too many. There was like every 4 inches. There was air everywhere. So they're done for Jordan for his S13. I will now leave that fiberglass to go off overnight. 24 hours, I just like to leave it, put it to one side, forget about it. And then tomorrow I will probably a bit of fill, a bit of sand. I'm not going to bore you massively, I'll just update you as I'm doing it. That is that. We've got the trim by Josh. Fades by me, has done another beautiful job. Took him out in the Civic. Think he enjoyed it. But yeah, not really. It's getting late in the day now. What time are we on? It's 4:45. That's it. I can't be bothered to do anything else. I've done all the fiberglass. I've not done anything on the S15, unfortunately. We need to get that wrapped up. We've got the head unit in, got the stereo in there. But probably need to spend a day doing all the wiring and getting that done. You know how we do. That's it. I'm going to tune in with you tomorrow. See you later. Before we go, the weather has been a bit rainy today. There's not been a massive amount of sunshine, but I thought, let's check the battery. Well, that's done nothing. But like I say, the weather has been a bit, yeah, not been very good. We'll try it on a sunny day and we'll just do it again. Cheers for now.